I've got a foam soap dispenser here that was stuck. I'm going to show you what I did to get this unstuck. I'm going to press this all the way down until it makes a popping noise. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. You can see it in other videos. I'm going to try here, but I'm holding my phone. And so you're going to remove this to take it apart. As you pull it apart, there's going to be a ball bearing in there that you don't want to lose. There it is. It's a little plastic bead. Don't want to lose that. I'll pull up the plunger on my sink so I don't lose that. And then you can clean out the pump part of this. You can actually disassemble this more if you want to clean it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do something else here. The sandpaper that I've got. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my sandpaper. I've got some wet sandpaper here, and you're going to roll the sandpaper around this. So you're going to sand around the piston here, and you're going to sand around this, and then you're going to reassemble it, and you can test it. So you just want to remove just a little bit of material. There you go, dropping it. So I'll put something here like this, and I'm just going to move the sandpaper around. It's hard to record it and do this, but I was basically rotating it around, and that's what you're going to do. And you're just going to take off enough. So you're just removing a little bit of material from this, and then you can reassemble it. Now you want to remember to put the bearing back in, but when you're ready to fully reassemble it, put that back, and you'll be able to test this line up, how it pumps. Now I already did some sanding on this, and it's already a lot smoother. It's going up a lot easier. So it may just need a cleaning, but if cleaning doesn't make it smooth again, you might take a little sandpaper and just sand down that piston just a little bit. Just right around here, right around the edge of it. Okay, so, and then you'll reassemble it. And there's videos on doing that. You're gonna I put my little ball bearing here. You're gonna put the ball bearing back into the middle here. Okay, so it's back in there. And then you're going to put the assembly back together. And you're going to press this back together real tight, and you want to get this part to snap back on, and it's pretty hard to do this on the one that I have. So good luck getting it snapped back on, and that's how I've done it. Looks like this is gonna work. So let's get it put back together and try it out. Done some sanding. I'm gonna snap this back together now. Got the little bearing in there. You want to make sure you don't lose that. Oh, let's see. I think I can just. I'm gonna use the countertop here. Not quite. There we go. That's the snap you want to hear. Putting it back together. There we go. All right, moment of truth. Hey, there we go. Goes right back up. And you know what? And just one little extra here, as I drop the soap. I used a mixture of this cheap Suave soap. I just poured some in here, maybe half an inch or so of soap and added water. So this is great. I think this is going to be a cheap way of refilling these. And so look at that. That's awesome. It's working again. This is probably one of the smoothest ones now. Cool. So there we go. And I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.